Welcome to Cigars.com. We are the leading provider of custom cigars for brands, events, and corporations. It's a simple 3-step process. First, select one of our 4 cigar shapes and one of our 2 cigar blends. All options are hand-rolled in Miami, Florida, using premium tobacco that is sourced from the Dominican Republic and Nicaragua. Second, share your company's logo and/or branding guidelines and let our in-house design team generate a custom cigar label proof for your approval. And lastly, customize the packaging in which your cigars are presented. Choose either our custom Spanish cedar boxes with laser engraving or our easy-to-gift resealable bags, all maintaining the optimum level of humidity for safe storage of the cigar. Accessories such as cutters and matchboxes can be added to any order. 20 cigars come in each box and we only require a 3-box minimum. We guarantee a 21-day turnaround with rush options available. We have serviced some of the largest companies in the world, and you can rely on both our professionalism and diligence to deliver a premium product that will leave a long-lasting impression on your clients. To get started today, email orders@cigars.com.